Hi, John. Oh, hi, Neil. How's it going today? Yeah, it's okay. I always like it when the sun is shining. Yes, me too. The weather has been so good recently. Yeah. Today, because the weather is so nice, I chose not to drive to work, and I cycled here. You cycled here? Wow. How long does that take? Not so long. From my house to here, around just 25 minutes. That's really good. I've not been cycling in years. Yeah, I like to cycle. It keeps me fit. And I've just recently taught one of my children to go on her bicycle. So I take her out at the weekend and we practice. It got me back interested in it again. Oh, yeah, that sounds really fun. Maybe I will give it a try again. Okay, I'm off now. I'll see you later. Bye bye.